Yeah, recording also started. Yeah, Gaurav, over to you. Recording started. So welcome all. This is the first session of the new batch, and I'll hand it over to Gaurav. Thank you, Gaurav.
Hey, welcome everyone. This is batch 11, day 1, week 1. We welcome you from bottom of our heart that you chose career and switching to career as your first priority. And the very one reason you are over here under GuruSchools first pillar is who will answer this? What is the one reason you are here? Any newcomer would like to tell you, and I want the exact answer. So who is joining here for first time? I would encourage you to answer me. What is the one reason, one exact dot reason for which you have joined this session under GuruSchools first pillar, that is instructor led training. And in case you are waiting for me to call out your name, Manish, I can see that you are unmuted. Could you please share what is one reason you are here?
Yeah, because I
One
checked.
reason.
Yeah, I like to learn a new thing, and Guru School is a good.
I got it.
Yep.
Manish, you have told that you want to learn one thing. Okay.
Yep.
Ankit, okay, you were earlier. I will ask Ashi. Ashi, what is the one reason you are here?
Actually, this is more of a change in a career for me. So this is to find a job, I guess.
Okay, to find a job. Okay, fantastic. Okay, Manish, you answered. Ashi, you answered. Let me ask Praveen. Praveen, one reason you are here?
Getting placed.
Oh, wow. You are here to get placed. And that shows that you had listened to any earlier session?
Yes.
Have you? Okay. So exactly, guys, this is the answer I'm expecting. You are here not to learn. You are not here to find a job. You are not here to, learn the Scrum. Only one reason is here. You are for getting placed. Okay. To start working in corporate of America in IT. Okay. Do you all agree with this?
Yes, Gaurav.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
And
yes.
you don't have to forget it. Okay. Because I don't know whether you remember this one story from the mythology, Indian mythology, where I don't know if you have remember, Arjuna says that he only sees the eye of the bird where he needed to hit. Okay. And that's the reason I'm asking this question. You need to find the eye that you needed to hit. Okay. Otherwise, this is very much easy for thoughts to wander here and there and get lost in various activity. Like we have everything in YouTube, and we find that we can learn this, that, and those. And YouTube creates a lot of confusion, what to learn, what not to learn. And that's the reason we have the tracks where we have structured step-by-step learning. While we will be letting you go through the presented screen over here, that week-wise what we are going to learn, will also, apart from this, invite you all to introduce yourself as well. Introduce also yourself, where you will be talking that what's your name, from where you are connecting, what is your background. We want to understand the background from where, means do you have IT background, or if you are working, in what domain you are working, in what industry you are working. Because in the similar industry of IT, you may get placed as well. And that's quite easy, because we have placed many people. Many people have been working after getting trained from here. And before you start, let me quickly tell about myself, that I'll be one of your trainer. My name is Gaurav. I am best-selling author in India as well. I have written self-help sci-fi books too, and one of them has been best-selling in the very first week after release. Apart from this, I have 19 years of IT experience, and I have worked in the various roles like QA, BA, and as a release manager as well. Currently, I'm working with US-based company, and quite contributing into the economy of USA as well. Apart from this, I'm a motivational speaker and award-winning speaker as well. Have spoken in various national and international stages. And yeah, so for IT background, if you will ask, so I have helped in wherever I work to conduct various training related to IT and non-IT in my career as well. So this is my quick background to talk so that you know that from where you are learning. And I'll quickly let it switch to Prerna so that she can introduce, and then she will invite you all one by one. You can introduce yourself as well. Prerna, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Gaurav. So first of all, a very warm welcome to this new session of this new batch. And I'm really happy that you all have taken this fantastic, decision in your life to switch careers or to learn more or to grow overall in your life. So to start with me, my name is Prerna. I have more than 14 years of total experience in IT industry, IT and banking, I would say. I have completed my master's in computer application from Mumbai University. And after that, I have been active in all the, I would say, phases in IT or IT delivery. I started from as a developer, became a lead, then a project manager, then project management office, handling multiple projects and multiple portfolios. And currently, I'm working as a, I would say data quality specialist and a project manager in one of the MNCs or international banks. And I have worked with quite major brands like Accenture, L&T Infotech, and Tata, to name a few, and some Indian banks. So exposure-wise, IT and other domains definitely, kind of interests me, and being there and done that, all the activities, it really inspires and encourages me to teach and take this session. So teaching being my passion, and GuruSchools aim to place people to ensure that they grow in their career is that drives me. So here I am talking to you and ensuring that you understand all the concepts and get confident and get onboarded very soon to the respective wonderful jobs. So thank you so much. That was from my side. I'll really request, first of all, I request everyone to go on mute if they are not. I can see they are now. Thank you so much. And yeah, we can start with all the new people in this batch, because some of them we know from the earlier batches, but then still we would recommend, we'll ask them to talk about themselves also. So, everyone who's joined for the first time today, please unmute yourself and give us some understanding about your educational, work-wise background, if any. Why have you joined this course? What are your intentions? And a little bit some interesting facts about you, if you'd like to share. Thank you so much. Please go ahead. And one important thing, these sessions are interactive, right? These are not like YouTube recorded sessions where we just talk and you just listen. You can check with any of the other earlier students and participants. It's a complete conversational session. So we talk, we discuss, and we love to hear from you. So without taking any further time, please start with your introduction and feel free to discuss. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Ashi. I actually have done my undergrad in BBA LLB, that's Business Administration and Law. So previously I was a corporate lawyer in the tax and business laws field in Hyderabad. I've recently shifted to the US about a few months ago. So actually now I'm trying to switch my careers from the law field into the BA side of it. So that's a little bit about me.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing, Ashi. You definitely have an edge because you've done your law. So we know, we can definitely understand your communication skills are good. You're confident when you speak. So yeah, it should be an easy transition. Yeah, Gaurav, if any comments of yours, or we can go to the next candidate. Yeah.
Welcome, Ashi. No, that's it.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Sangeeta.
Yeah, Sangeeta, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So I finished my BSc Max in University of Madras in Chennai. And after doing it, and I started my career as a medical transcriptionist for past 15 years. And past 7 years, we moved to US. And I was working as a medical transcriptionist, editor and quality analyst over there. And fortunately, we moved to Canada. And over here, the work permit does not allow me to continue to work in medical transcription field. So I thought I need a change in a career simultaneously. So there I got the GuruSchools link, and I was behind it for the past 6 months and finally into it, get a new career and a start of a career. Yeah, that's about me.
Yeah, welcome, Sangeeta. Looking forward to work with you. So yes, thank you so much for sharing your background.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah, go ahead, Manish. Yes, you can proceed. Next.
Yeah, my name is Manish. I live in North Carolina. I've been in the United States. It's been 18 years, and I am in hospitality business, and now I want to change my career because my daughter want me to, and I love to.
You love to?
Yeah.
What?
I love to change my career to
Okay.
IT. Yeah.
Awesome. Hospitality and IT. How long you have been working, Manish?
14 years.
14 years. Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Welcome, Manish. Welcome on board. So looking forward to working with you. So let's move to the next participant. And we invite, yeah, Maureen, you can introduce yourself. Yes, Maureen, you can introduce yourself. I see you are unmuted.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Let me mute you.
Okay, so you will
yeah,
come next. Okay, Siddharth, yeah, go ahead, sir.
Hey guys, this is Sid. I did my master's and worked in the IT field, not related to BA, but on the hardware side for telecom. Now changing gearing the switches to IT in BA side. So, and excited to get the things rolling and get placed.
So how long you have been working,
It's
Siddharth?
been 10 plus years.
10 plus years. Looking forward to working with you too, Siddharth. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Who can go next?
Yeah.
Yes, Praveen. Yes, go ahead.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Praveen. So I've been working, like I'm from non-IT background and been working for more than 12 years into sales, marketing, and currently in customer service. And right now I'm working in insurance domain. And I would like to switch my career. I would like to launch myself into IT. So hence I've joined this course. And yeah, that's it.
Praveen, welcome. Looking forward to working with you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for sharing your background. So yeah, who can go next? Yes, go ahead, Santosh.
Hello, everyone. This is Santosh from Texas, and I'm from non-IT background, and I did my BCom in 2002. I was a homemaker before this, but I want to go in IT line. That's why I'm here now.
Awesome, Santosh. Looking forward to working with you. How long you have been into industry? How long have you worked?
No, I didn't work. Like I was not working.
You are starting afresh, right?
Yes, yes.
Awesome, awesome. Looking forward. So thank you so much sharing, Santosh. Looking forward to working with you.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Who can go next? Or you want me to call you? All right. So who all
I
are
can
done?
go. Yeah.
Yeah,
My
go
name
ahead.
is
Go ahead.
my name is Maureen Ibemobi. I studied business administration. I don't have an IT background, but I have a banking background as a relationship manager for 3 years plus. After then, I've been running my business as a hairstylist / braider, and I've been doing all kinds of side hustle. I mean, yeah, thank you. But I want to switch to IT. I want to switch to IT, most especially BA/Scrum.
Awesome, Maureen. How long you have been into industry, Maureen?
Banking or IT?
Yeah.
Banking over 3
Yeah.
years. Over
Total
3 years.
experience. I mean, how much?
Total experience, let's say 3 years plus.
3 years plus. Okay.
Yeah.
So welcome, Maureen. Welcome. Looking forward to working with you. We'll talk again soon. Thank you so much for sharing. Yes. After Maureen, who wanted to go next? Was it Pamela? Would you like to share?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
Pamela.
Hello, everyone. My name is Pamela, and well, I have done my bachelor's back in 2003, and then I was working in banking sector there in India itself. But I got married. I came here, US, and then I went to for 2 or 3 years. I was into testing, and then because of kids and everything, I stopped working, and then I started like 2 years back, I started into banking career. Right now I'm working as a banker here in California, and I want to switch my career to business analyst, because software something excites me more than anything, because I can explore myself. Thank you.
Awesome. So how long you had been into Miss Total experience?
Around about 6 to 7 years, Gaurav.
6 to 7 years. Okay. Awesome, Pamela. Welcome to GuruSchool once again. Looking forward to working with you. So after Pamela, who can go next? Ankit, can you share?
Yes. Hi, I'm Ankit. I am from the marketing field. I've been working there for probably about 7-8 years in social media marketing, merchandising, at the corporate level and really at the small business level. I've been wanting to make a change into tech, specifically BA, because of the potential opportunities that it can offer me.
Awesome, Ankit. And how long, how much experience in total you have?
With marketing or BA?
Overall.
Oh, probably about 8 years of experience working.
8 years. Okay. Ankit, once again, welcome to GuruSchools. Looking forward to work with you. So thank you so much for sharing, Ankit. So Ankit, Ashi, Manish, Maureen, Momita, Pamela, Praveen, Sangeeta, Santosh is done. Siddharth, you are also done. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. And we welcome you once again. And before we share and go further, to tell you that what is there in for you, let me quickly tell you this session is more or less to know about you, that we need to understand you, that from where you are working, you need to understand what is going to come in your plate. So that's the reason this is going to be a very, as Prerna initially told, that it will be formal, informal kind of session where there won't be any pressure upon you for learning. But yeah, the one intent will be strengthened today, and that is to get place for you. Okay. And for that, there are certain rules we will be sharing with you, that what else apart from this session, what else you need to consider. So before we take a deep dive and we will explain the curriculum to you, let me quickly also share that how do we operate. So every single day you will be working, but not the entire day. And how you will be working, if you feel like, you can take a note of it. The one is Sunday 9:30 p.m. EST, we are going to meet, and there will be the technical session. So in every technical session, whatever we are going to teach you, you need to summarize it within 90 seconds to maximum 120 seconds. It means that half of minute up to 2 minutes, and you need to shoot a video. Okay, and once you will shoot a video summarizing whatever you have learned or whatever went into the class, that you need to summarize and post it into the WhatsApp group. All right, so why you need to do so? See, it is your preparation to build your confidence towards becoming a successful business analyst or Scrum Master. Gradually, you will find your own self, that you are getting fine, you are getting sharpened in the subject itself. Whatever you have learned, you are able to articulate that, you are able to explain that just within 2 minutes. Okay, and the moment me and Prerna identify that you are graduating towards a perfection, towards getting a perfect business analyst, towards grabbing the attention, and towards getting into the flow of the explanation, we will put the summarized clip of yours on GuruSchools YouTube channel, where other vendors are skimming various videos. Okay, if their attention is grabbed by your video, you will be hooked with them, and you might get a call from there. Okay, and from there you will start building a relationship to get into the market. And that's the reason your tiniest 2 minutes of video in every single session is necessary. So let me come back to the schedule. Sunday 9:30 p.m. EST technical session. Then Monday we invite you to share this unsaid assignment. So sharing the video becomes your unsaid assignment. That goes immediate next day after the session. So Sunday 9:30 p.m. EST is your session. Then Monday you are supposed to summarize whatever you have learned in 2 minutes of video. Tuesday again you come back. Maureen, could you please go on silent, please? Maureen. Yeah, thank you. So Tuesday will be again 9:30 p.m. EST will be your technical session. And along with that, on Tuesday, every Tuesday and Thursday, take a note of it. Tuesday and Thursday, 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. EST, Dev sir, he conducts profile optimization, resume preparation session, which is never recorded. That those sessions are always live. You are supposed to attend that session every single time it happens. You might find that it is getting repeated, but the idea behind is that not to get into the repeatability, but being present itself will get you more score, because the core idea behind is that more available you are, more present you are. It's all about your visibility. The more visible you are, then more marketable you are. And the more marketable you are, there are high chances that you will get placed. Okay, so it's visibility, and then marketability, then placeability. So it all comes together when you don't miss any of the session on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so take a note of it. And in case some of you can do that on Tuesday and Thursday, recently Devji has started for those people who are not able to make it on Tuesday and Thursday, it's on Sunday. They recently started. So I don't know about the timing, but only for those people who have some reasons to not to attend it. So that goes for Tuesday. Again, Wednesday invites you for the summary videos, that is unsaid assignment. Okay, I hope you are taking the notes of it. So I explained so far Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then what on Friday? Friday, you go back and you prepare whatever you have learned all the question and answer, but we also believe that you do your research work as well on that day, because within 8 weeks, we can't give you the entire Bible and entire Gita and Quran to let you understand the entire ocean, because the knowledge is ocean, okay? And as I say, equally YouTube is ocean, and you can't get the clarity by getting into YouTube. But when we will give you some milestones that these are the pointers you need to explore, here we will give you some clarity. You need to get into the detail of it, and for that you can go and skim the various videos related to the topic that we will explain you, so that you have strengthened knowledge as well, just not the knowledge, okay? Although you will be getting experience also, so this training will not just be a training. This training itself is going to be a project for you. And few of you who just recently transitioned from batch 10 to batch 11, you have experienced recently how you have done various workshops, you have done hands-on on various tools. Likewise, you will be having this. I think Praveen has recently joined, and he has experienced how to use Jira and Trello and various other tools. So those kind of experience you will also undergo at the end of the batch. Okay, so this is how it is going to this is how it is going to happen. That's on Friday, and Saturday we are giving you a breather day. Okay, so you can just chill. You don't have to just think about BA and Agile and Scrum. And again, Sunday you can come back refreshed. Okay, so this is how every Sunday to Saturday we are going to work. Any question around this, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen? Any question around this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, everyone is
I
clear?
have a question. I have a question regarding the YouTube courses. Will you give us the YouTube link apart from whatever you teach, which site to go through it?
Okay, Sangeeta. So what we will do, we will give you the recorded session. So like Prerna is recording. So within 24 hours or 48 hours, based on her availability, she will make available the recording. Okay. Usually I generally do, but this time mostly Prerna would be doing it. So we make available the recording of whatever the class happens, so that you don't miss that. But we tell you how to search the perfect video, means that personally I'll tell you, but we won't tell you that go to this video on YouTube and learn from there. So we won't do that. That is your finding, your research, and you can come back and you can tell, because we believe that you have to become the explorer as B as well. Okay, so we won't direct you on the particular YouTube video. Okay.
Yeah. Gaurav, I would like to add here.
Yes, go ahead.
Sangeeta, basically what is the guideline here is, we guide you about how to find perfect videos, right? Like, for example, we'll tell you put in keywords like BA, Agile, and whatever, Scrum planning and Agile manifesto, things like that.
Okay.
So why we do not give particular videos about YouTube is, see, per se, one particular video I understand how they talk, how they explain, but the same video might not be understood by somebody else that well, right? It depends
Right.
about their
Yeah.
liking, their understanding.
Yeah.
So and then we really want you to explore and find your own, because then we have so many candidates coming up and saying, ma'am, this channel, this video was very helpful, and then we will try to incorporate that information or that thing in our sessions to others also. So everybody
Okay.
comes with their set of information, and that's how we build this course more further. Because see, we don't believe in overboarding, because if we keep teaching you everything bookish, that will not help. So it is a
Yeah.
very practical. You can check with other candidates, how many fun activities and fun workshops we had, starting from a project, preparing project plans and BRDs to actual presentations. So all that requires a lot of time, and to complete that in 6 to 8 weeks is trust me, a very tough thing to do, which we manage every time. So today being the first session, we are keeping it very light. We're giving you all the guidelines how to go ahead about it. And then in case you have any doubts, me and Gaurav or even all the HRs are just a message away on WhatsApp. You can call us, you can message us, you can let us know. This is for everybody, guys. Okay. So if you have
Yes.
any doubts, you feel like you need more explanation or you want to have a session or discussion, we can continue in the further sessions. And we normally do that, we generally recap for a bit, like, if anybody has any doubts, and we kind of test the understanding. And if you guys are cool understanding, okay, then we proceed, because the foundation has to be very clear and very robust, I would say, right? So don't worry, it's
Okay.
not a complete spoon feeding, but it's a lot of encouraging others to go ahead and explore on your own, right?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah,
Thank you.
most welcome. Yeah, Gaurav, over to you.
I'm so sorry. I just had a small doubt regarding the summary
Yeah.
2-minute videos. So
Yeah.
every Wednesday, so is it something we have to prepare at the end of the session once, like for
Okay.
example,
So Ashi, I will
yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, so at the end
So
of
no,
Wednesday's
complete.
session, yeah, at the end of Wednesday's
Okay.
session, is it that time that we would have to present it, or is it something we have to record after the session is completed?
Okay. So Gaurav has given a very nice timetable, so you know which day what you have to do, but it's not that you have to do that only on Wednesday. I'll really tell you, if you like to talk in front of camera, if you ever wanted to be an RJ or something like that, which you couldn't, this is the opportunity. Trust me, it's not a child's play to record yourself. You really, have all those feelings when you're talking, but that is it. And the reason or the motive behind us asking you to create videos is quite a few, because it's not only thing that we want you to revise and record. We also want you to have that presentation skills and that confidence, right? Because when you're talking in front of camera, you're looking at yourself, you might be a little nervous, you might be thinking something else, you are trying to have a proper accent, you're trying to have the proper details incorporated. So all that, the more you do, the more confident you become. And as a part of BA and Scrum, this is a very important course, and presentations and being in meetings, discussion is a part and parcel of this course, or this profile. Okay, so that is why we encourage you to make such videos wherein you can talk about particular topics. And see, talk means, what, it really shows how well you understand the topic. So the first thing is your understanding gets clear, you become confident, you become in a way very practical in your approach. And second most important thing along with this is, these videos are marketed by GuruSchools. What do you mean by marketed? That simply means we put this video on GuruSchools channel. They are highlighted by our senior management, and whenever HRs from across the globe, not only from US, across the globe, from big companies are checking our channel, checking our updates, your videos are being flashed. We have Gaurav has made superb compilation of small videos prepared in the earlier batches. You can check them, or we can share that on the group later for your reference. That gives a fantastic response. Trust me, one of our candidates by the name of Anila, she was very active. She used to prepare videos, and in no time, I'm really saying, in no time, she got placed and she's on her own now. I mean, she's doing so well for her life. So this is why we encourage you to do this, and it has multifold benefits. It's not only one benefit. So I hope I cleared your doubt. And there is nothing specific to only Wednesdays. You can do it on any day whenever you're available, but you have to do it. It's a very important task. Yeah, go ahead.
So
no,
let me add
actually, my doubt was whether that was supposed to be given at the end of the session, or is it something we do it in after the
No, you do on your own. You do on your own, and
okay.
you can share on the BA Scrum
WhatsApp.
group. It will be a small
Okay.
video.
Yeah, that
Gaurav,
was
go on.
my my
Yeah, so I just quickly want to share another benefit. Like being a business analyst and Scrum Master, you just don't work with one person or one team located in just inside one cubicle or at one location. You work with diverse group, and you work globally. So you need to be appear in the various other location from one time zone as well. So for that, in companies, they ask you to switch on your camera always. Even there is one ceremony which is called as stand-up. So when COVID happened, everyone was sitting in their place, and this is a 15 minutes daily stand-up meeting. People used to just come and share 3 items during the stand-up meeting. Even for that 15 minutes, the guideline came from the Scrum itself, from the Agile board, that you need to switch on
Gaurav,
your
we lost
camera.
your voice.
Okay, am I audible again?
Yeah, yes, sir. You were
Yes.
audible actually.
Okay, I'm audible, all this. Okay, fine. Thank you so much for confirming. So the guideline came that every single time that stand-up will happen, you need to switch on your camera.
Yeah, Gaurav,
So
you're
you should
breaking
be,
in between. Your voice is breaking in between.
really, am I?
No,
No,
no, he's
sir.
We are
fine.
not finding it.
He's fine.
He's fine, Prerna.
Yeah.
Okay, so the issue is at my end. Sorry.
Yeah. So coming back, so the another purpose is that switching on camera habit. So aligning with daily Scrum. If you would be working from home, so this habit should be very easy for you. That is another intent behind this, and that's the reason we brought this unsaid assignment done from you guys, and posting every single time once the session is done, and to add more in your answer that yes, that you have to do not necessarily the same day, but yes, recommendation is that at least the next day of the assignment. How you will do that, why you will do that, there are some code of honors that we will explain you in the next session, not today. But yeah, so for to answer your question, up to next within 24 hours, we are expecting one summary video from you to be placed inside WhatsApp group. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sangeeta?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, Gaurav, can I ask a question?
Yeah, go ahead, Ankit.
Yeah, I was just curious. Is this, I'm because I was in your last session. I'm trying to figure out if this is a new session or a continuation.
So this is new batch altogether. Batch 10 is over, and we always run in the continuation. The moment batch 10 is over, we transit into the next batch, and we continue from start. So we are starting in batch 11 from day 1, week 1 for Be Agile Scrum.
Okay, so is this a continuation of the last session? I'm just trying to make sure.
No. Last session is over last time.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So in case you are waiting for the assignments, wait for a few minutes. So we will just quickly ask you guys about the assignment done last time, so that we will have fair idea. I don't see that everyone from the last session has joined, and that's the reason we continued from as fresh. Okay. So you were heading any team, Ankit? I think it was Pamela, Roli, and Poonam was there who were heading a team, right?
Yes, we were on a team. Yeah.
Okay, so none of them are here. I think Pamela is only there. So better we will just check with you and your team one by one, or invite you in next session for sure, so that you can give us the update.
Okay.
All right, Ankit, clear now?
Yes.
Okay, awesome, Ankit. Thank you so much. So cool. So this is what it is. So anyone else who has any questions so far while we have explained you these all things? No? Okay, I'll consider the silence as no. Yes, Santosh.
So
yes.
can I leave this meeting because my daughter is not well? So I thought we are going to present our project. That's why I'm here.
Okay. So Santosh, feel free if you want to skip the next. Yes, you can skip it, because we are going to run you through with the syllabus, what is going to come.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
All right, Ankit. No problem. So yeah, over to you, Prerna. Pena, do you want to run through on this PPT slide?
Yes,
On
Gaurav.
the what? So do you want to run through this PPT slide?
Often.
What is planned?
Yes. We'll just glance through it for sure. There's no point in getting into the super detail as of now, but just that everybody knows the contents, what are all things we'll be covering. First of all, before starting, try to understand this is a rough estimate. Generally, we do spill over and we go to like say a week 8 or week 9, depending on the responses, depending on the discussion. So this is just a template of things that we covered on paper, but during discussions, you can actually ask the earlier candidates. We discuss a lot, many practical things, practical projects, real life scenarios and experiences. To start with, in week 1, we generally start our session with Agile. Okay, so basically what is agile intro, and how agile was founded, why do we use agile, and comparison between earlier work culture or work trends, or I would say waterfall methods and other things, and it's comparison with the current agile, I would say, technique or agile way of work. Then differences between what is agile and what is agility and what is flexibility, like are they same, are they different. Then quite a few important topics like agile principles, agile manifesto, agile best practices, and framework, and overall how we can include or how we can work on agility in our projects. And trust me, the projects information, domain details given in all these sessions is absolutely real life, practical, experienced one. So we do not have anything super theoretical or bookish. So don't worry about that. You're very well free to ask questions and ask us wherever you feel like further explanation. So that's kind of week 1, where we actually kind of ensure that you understand agile, its importance, and what are its kind of building blocks or stepping stones of agile. So this is for week 1. Going ahead with week 2 is getting deep dive into agile and scrum, actual practicing agile. So it's like agile values. What are the core values of agile? What is scrum in agile? Now scrum itself is like an ocean. So there are scrum roles. What are different types of roles in scrum? What are the facts? What are the scrum events? What is scrum planning? What is scrum sprint? So right now, for some of you, these words be new terminologies, new words, but don't worry. These concepts are definitely vital, but very easy to understand, right? Depending on how well you attend the sessions, how well you watch the recorded sessions, how well you do your own research, and how is your overall understanding. But then these are absolutely beautiful concepts, I have to tell you, and they are practically followed, right? In my current organization, we have sprints running. We have sprint delivery, we have sprint sign up. I just completed a sign off a day before. So these are the actual practical things. So for us, it's very nice to give you the real life information. Okay, so week 3, again in continuation with sprint further deep dive. It's like, what is a sprint backlogs, how well we go ahead with sprint planning, what are the pointers to understand while doing sprint planning, what are the best practices of sprint, and continuity of scrum in sprint, and who is a scrum master, what is the scrum development, and how are the daily scrums taken. So all these things are the nomenclature given to the activities or to the actions. But in short, when you go into the actual industry and in actual projects, these are daily activities, right? So now you might be feeling, oh, these are the new words, they're the buzzwords, but that these are the daily routine things that you would do in any organization who follows agile. And right now, I think majority of the organizations they are into Agile, because that's the thing as for now. Okay, so this is your week 3, and we give substantial amount of time to Agile, because Agile is very vast. Agile is very important. We also recommend few certifications. If you those are a free certification, first of all, online free certification. So once you do that along with the training, it actually adds feather in your cap. It gives little more weightage to your CV, a lot more confidence to you. So we'll explain that to you later when we will come to that. Now, getting into the second part of the sessions of the course, it's week 4. See, here we explain you what is a sprint review. Okay, now sprint review, sprint retrospective, these are very important events, and how to do that with high quality. What do we mean by definition of done? How do we manage a product backlog? What is product backlog? So all these are important concepts, and trust me, they're very easy to understand, very practical to follow. Okay, then agile planning and estimation. How do we go ahead in the agile planning and estimation? And yes, now week 4 has a highlight, because we have live workshops, wherein during the sessions, we ask you to there are different games. I don't want to spoil the fun as of now, but they're actually fun activities slash games. Okay, so so you will definitely enjoy them once we come to that. And yes, self-organizing and cross-functional team, and yeah, certification and exercises I just mentioned you. So there's a lot in store for you. You, even if you could Google or check on YouTube, none of the practical courses offer this much in such a short span. And then if you could watch the earlier recordings, there is so much detail, so much discussion. So here we kind of, after 4 weeks, we kind of come to an end of the agile and scrum side of it. And then from week 5 and 6, we majorly focus on what do we mean by a BA? What does a business analyst do? What does we mean by business analyst? And what are the prerequisites for being a BA? Like, if there are any, who is recommended to go for a BA role? What is the responsibilities and roles of BA? What is the actual on-the-job responsibility? What are the artifacts, or what are the documents which are expected to be prepared by BA? Then how do we go ahead with analysis and reporting as a BA? Then tools used for analytics, and then how we, and data driven decision making, we call it DDDM, data driven decision making. How to use that, or how to work on that, how to achieve that. Then business analytics with Excel. Trust me, we also give you a decent glance of the typical useful functionalities of Excel, like some formulas, some calculations, how to create a pivot, how to make graphs, and how to make a decent report. So that's all, like, a very well start for you into the BA world. And then week 3 and week 6, the final week, where we have very important topics like stakeholder management, information management, and there are different business analysis models that we teach. And then how to conduct reviews. And then we also recommend you to attend RRRP sessions. Earlier we used to recommend it towards the end, but now because of so much of knowledge and guidelines and important things are shared during this session, so we recommend everyone at the start of the session that please attend these weekly or bi-weekly sessions with Dave sir. He has tremendous amount of knowledge, the actual industry happenings he shares, and you getting that information and that knowledge is very important. And then yes, we also help you for vendor interview preparations, like how to answer. We also take mock interview sessions. Okay, so and trust me, these sessions are very important. People who have got placed, they swear by this session. Where these sessions are like actual interview, where me and Gaurav, we both are there as a to take your interview, and you are expected to be formally dressed, seated in a proper place like an actual interview. and there's a proper discussion, introduction, question and answer, and then towards the end we also give a judgment or a review about how you behaved, so it's also a group discussion. There are sometimes multiple people, so we ask question to multiple candidates. There are someone one-to-one, so depending, and the more sessions you'll have, the more clarity and more confidence you have. Okay, and the final thing is end client interview. Even for your end client interview, we prepare you, we give you some additional documents, additional questionnaire, additional guidance. Whenever there is your actual final interview, we kind of give you a customized set of answers or understanding as per the role. So yes, all in all, and yeah, certificate of course completion. That's very important. You at the end of 6 to 8 weeks, you get a certificate from GuruSchools that you have been part of this training successfully. You have participated in projects. You have this much experience. You have gained so much knowledge, and you are very well. I would say, ready to enter into the market, enter into the industry, and work on its own, right? So this is the overall understanding of the courses. I know it's a lot to take in the first session. That's why we don't get into the teaching mode as of now. But this is your syllabus that you would be getting to learn. We will be covering, and there's a lot more than this. So yes, Gaurav, that's what we had for today. So over to you, I think, for the closure remarks. Yeah.
Yes. So one thing we would for sure tell you that every single day, the learning is going to be fun. Okay. And you are going to enjoy a lot. So trust me, this is going to be just not information overload. It is going to be information with fun. So it's just not information, also practical approach and your experience, because it is going to get built one day as 1 year in your resume as well. So this is what I just wanted to share, and wishing you to see in the next session with more of the excitement. All right. Are you all set for this? Or all are you ready for this? Let me know from all of you. Ashim, Manish, Praveen,
Yes.
Mamita, Pamela.
Yes.
And Siddharth. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So once again, we would just welcome you. And yes, over to you, Prerna again.
Yes, Gaurav. So yeah, all in all, sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are good. Good for the day today. Yeah, and we'll meet next
so
time.
Thank you so much. Yes, absolutely. So thank you so much, everybody, for your time, for your interest, for your enthusiasm, and we'll see you again on coming Sunday night. Be ready. I'll recommend you to have a dedicated notebook or diary for this session, so you can actually write down the important points or concepts in your book, and that book acts as a guide to your interviews. So try to follow a routine, and very happy to have you on board. So thank you so much. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a good night's sleep. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good night, everyone. Prerna, just stay back after you pause the recording.
Sure, absolutely. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. See you on Sunday.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. I'm pausing the recording.
Yeah, please.
Somewhere, 1 second. My internet was not so stable in between. When I said, I am not able to hear you, my internet was not stable. I understood that later. Okay, recording
recording
stop.
stopped.
Yes,
No, recording
stop. Tell me.